Hi! In this video, you will learn how to download and install your Norton protection when you purchased it as a boxed product or a product card. Open your browser and go to norton.com/setup. Enter your product key. If you purchased a boxed product online or from a local retail store, you can find your product key inside the box or print it on the product card. After you enter the product key, the key is validated and a check mark appears. If the check mark does not appear, check the key and enter it again. When the product key is validated, click Next. Enter a valid email address and click Next. The next step opens in a new window. If the window does not appear, turn off your browser's pop-up blocker and try again. You can sign in with a code sent to this email address or use your password if this email address is linked to your Norton account. If you're new to Norton, create an account using your email address and a strong password, or sign in with your Google, Apple, or Microsoft account. If prompted, you may need to add a payment method to activate your subscription. After entering the required information, scroll down, select the checkbox, and click Activate Automatic Renewal. When activation is complete, click Agree and Download. To start downloading your Norton protection, locate the downloaded installer file and double-click it. The installation wizard opens. Click Install Norton 360. Your Norton protection is installed in a few minutes. That's it. Your Norton protection is now downloaded, installed, and activated. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.norton.com.